A common complaint for third-gen Tacoma owners is that the seating position is uncomfortable. The floorboard is raised up to maximize ground clearance, but this makes you feel like you're sitting on the floor rather than sitting on top. They kind of addressed the issue with some power seats in the 2020 Tacomas, but for those that have earlier Tacomas, there's really not that many options. But Desert Does It makes a seat jacker, helps out with the seating position, and raises up the seating position to make it a little bit more comfortable. All right, so we have the front seat jackers. These are for the rear, available in different sizes, so you can mix and match them to fit your needs. And then we have the Molly panel bolts. Got some directions here, and we'll get started. So I didn't record the whole install. This is not a how-to video. The directions that come with the kit are very clear. The install is very simple. It took me all but 30 minutes. The quality of the kit is first class. They use 10.9 bolts. The improvement in ride comfort is significant. A lot more support in the thighs, a lot more support in the back. I highly recommend this kit from Desert Does It. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching.